Hello, I'm the technician from the racing channel, the regular technician at Red Sri Raja Chonburi. We only have one branch, and people often ask if we have a branch in Bangkok, but we don't. It's just one branch. Today, we are with the new year. This person mentioned that I took it out and the light went out. Which one went out? I see that some are still on. Which room is out? This one. Let me take this apart, and once I take it apart, you can see it's loose, right? Let me show you how to fix it. Now I will take out the radio, hold this and pull. This phrase is a polite affirmation. Let's first see where the light is not working and where we should put it. Here is the light bulb like this. This is the 5th light bulb. Let's change the light bulb first. The bulb looks like this, and the wire is long, see? Inside, there will be a hole. So insert the prong into it. Insert the prongs of the bulb like this. Once they stick out, you will see a groove at the back, right? Then wrap it in. This is the same. Okay, let's go ahead and install the light bulb. I'll try the light bulb now. Oh, right now it's working, but when I put it in this side, it's not working. This one is normal, or sometimes both are working. See, now we will install this one, which is the advanced one. Here, I'm removing the radio to make it easier to see how to install it. I want to mention that when we remove the radio, just be careful not to let it come out completely, because if it comes out, it's hard to put back in. If it comes out and you accidentally twist it or something, it can be a problem. The person doesn't have an issue with the light not turning on. They have a problem with the wiring, which they don't realize. I once experienced a situation where I turned off the light before the power went out. Let me take this out first. Actually, we don't need to take it out. Just pull the key out for me, please. We could do it without removing it, but it won't be visible and you won't be able to press it down. Because you know why? Because this part here is spinning. It has already rotated. It's damaged. It's lost its shape. This part down here has been turned. And it spins like this. Take the cream of the lizard back and pull it up. See? Now it has fallen down. This part has fallen down right. Let's take the lizard cream, grab it, and pull it up. Try to pull it up, and then lift this part up and pull it out. I'll show you this part first, because if I do it, you won't be able to see it. You can't put it in anymore. As I mentioned earlier, we twisted this part out right. So let's twist it all the way to the left first, and then we twist this one to the left as well. Once that's done, we take the cream down here and pull it up. Once we lift it up, we press it down to lock it in place, and it should fit perfectly. Now it can spin, see? Okay, all done. Let me tidy up. I'll put the wires in first, and then put the radio away. I went to dismantle the air conditioner, but I didn't install this part. Which screw is it that I didn't put in? The radio screw, right? The screw for the radio and the other part is done. Now, just press it down like this and it's all set. But wait, I need to find a screw to put in before I go. I went to the air conditioning shop, but the air conditioner won't start. See, it's done now, right? Okay, then I'll press the next one. Second point is to change the bulb, just like I did earlier. Oh right, I changed the bulb for you earlier. The screwdriver. Oh, we don't need it. It's not used. It's done now. Just go ahead and turn on the left turn signal. Okay, it's all set. Press it again. And it's done.